Hi guys, and welcome back in. Today we've got the Zacian Sword and Shield Elite Trainer Box Plus. Got a bunch of early Sword and Shield packs and a promo card. So let's have a look-see. What have we got here? Anything? What's that for? Oh, the promo cards at the start of Sword and Shield. So that's the one from this box. Hopefully be doing that one soon. Alright, let's get into the box. Right, game rules. There's our promo card. Quite nice dividers in this. Same on both sides. Code card. Nice metal coin. Where's the other one gone? Your markers. The dice have all fallen out of the packet, but yeah, nice metal gold dice. And the Zacian sleeves. Are they the clear or cloudy ones? Yeah, not too bad. Okay, so let's have a look at the packs. 12, I believe this should be. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, yeah. So we've got 3 Vivid Voltage, 5 Darkness Ablaze, 3 Rebel Clash, and a Sword and Shield base. Right, so let's start ripping. So we've got Sudowoodo Reverse and Center Scorch. Rebel Clash. Dracloak Reverse, and Seismitoad. Ooh. Tuffield Stadium and Toxtricity. Last Rebel Clash. So we've got Palisand and a Zamazenta. Onto Darkness Ablaze. Oh. Other way around. Lunatone and Go Lurk. Next Darkness Ablaze. Skitty and Galarian Mr. Rhyme. Would be nice to get at least something out of him, but early Sword and Shield, you know how it goes. Wimpod and Aggron Hollow. Pokemon Breeders Nurturing, and there's something there, just a V. Yeah, Crobat V. Right, so last Darkness Ablaze. So we've got a Lairon and a Hippowdon. Right, so onto the 3 packs of Vivid Voltage. Oh, the other way around again. Exploud and Orbital V. Right, so we've got a Rockruff and Shedinja. Right, so last pack. hit the like button to give us some last pack magic. Think I saw something there. So we've got a Clefairy, and yeah, something there. We've got Alistair. Very nice. Finally got something half decent on the last pack. Definitely going to be one we need. Alright, thanks guys. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you very much. Bye now.